Hey you guys, welcome back to the video. In this video we're gonna have a little fun with the G35. Nothing too crazy honestly. I know I promised a car review to show you guys what car replaced the Camaro. I've had this car for a little while and obviously I haven't reviewed it yet, but I'll probably get it in the next video. No promises, but in this video we're gonna do a little maintenance stuff, a few little things. I'm going all the way to San Jose to get a little plastic cover for the battery. You know, it's the little stuff that matter. So we're going all the way to San Jose because this guy has that little plastic cover. Online it's $150. He wants to sell it to me for 40 bucks. Honestly, the drive is like $80 in gas, so I chose to go to San Jose and have a little trip, have a little fun, get in the piece. And also he might have other parts that I need, so we're gonna go to San Jose. See you guys in the morning.
Gotta cheat the daily.
What the heck?
Alright, so we came all the way to San Jose for this piece right here. I already bought that piece, but this piece was like $150. So I was like, nah, I'm not trying. I get that. I don't know if you'll let me get those. I don't even know if I can fit them in my car, but I'm gonna ask. I know for my white Infinity. Devin took my wheels.
Take this.
I just buy new ones.
Take it.
I just buy some new ones.
Oh yeah,
I'll ask him when he got them or something. I might get this piece too, because I have this, but mine's just completely covered, so I can't unlock it if my key fob is ever not working. I'll see if you can give me that piece. And what? What are you looking at? The exhaust? I have an exhaust like that.
you do?
It's straight piped all the way to the cats. Now that one's stock. Mine's stock right now. But I have one like this where he has the exhaust tips looking like they're OEM and it's just straight piped all the way to the cats. I don't have it on right now though because I already got pulled over for it. Alright. I'm gonna see if I have this part real quick.
The reason I'm asking about that part right there,
Because I don't have that piece to hold it down pretty much. I'm gonna see if he has the hardware for the bumper. And maybe if not, buy his whole bumper because somebody hit me while I was parked at work. I don't know who. I might paint it, I don't know. If he has the hardware and everything for the bumper, I might just buy the bumper if I can get a good deal. We'll see. So it'd be the bumper and then it'd be the piece that goes right there. I need this piece in case I lock myself out. And then the quarter panel, here's the bump. I'm gonna see if I can fix it first. Maybe I'll make a trip back for it because I don't have all the room in the world right now. And then this side has a little one, but it's not too bad. I'll see how much he wants for both of them, the bumper and that side piece that goes in here. Other than that, I came for the battery cover because, as you guys remember in the last video, I replaced a whole bunch of battery stuff. Honestly, the gas kind of adds up to paying the whole thing, maybe a little less. But I thought it was worth it because, like I said, he might have other parts that I need for the car, like the ones I just mentioned. So let's go see if he'll give me a price for the things I need, which is this quarter panel, possibly the bumper, and then the little fender inside. And then this thing right here, if he knows how to take it off. Oh, I also came for his lights, his wires. I already have some, but I don't know. I'm gonna get his just in case. I don't know. Someone rips my bumper off again. Alright, let's go back. So, taking this just in case. And I already bought that brand new. So I'm just coming for this. This. I'm gonna see if he has one of the bolts for the radiator support. Might be one of the. No, these are for the bash bar. I think it's over there somewhere. Cause I'm missing one, I think. So I'm gonna see if you can drop one of those in. Yeah. So these bolts for the radiator support. I'm literally missing 2 on this side. Crazy. So I'm gonna get these bolts. Hopefully he still has them. Part 2 after I cleaned it up. So in the last video, I replaced the entire positive terminal assembly, including this. That's a brand new cap. I bought that to protect it from corrosion. The tie down rod was essential. How to buy that too, so that the battery doesn't move around and get anything loose, mess up any of the wiring. And recently I went to San Jose to buy this piece. In my opinion, the drive was worth it because this piece is very expensive online. I ended up getting this for $40 from somebody that was partying out there, Infinity. And now I finally got protection for the entire battery in case it decides to rain. Brand new battery, brand new positive terminal assembly. Now the battery is fully protected from the elements. And then these came in handy too. From Z1 Motorsports, brand new. Put them in. They have brand new, completely brand new battery assembly. I haven't replaced the ground one. I'll probably get to it soon, but it's not essential right now. One thing at a time. That's for the most part. The positive is completely replaced. Battery brand new. Brand new battery cover, or not brand new, but you get the idea. That's it. For the rest of the pins, I'm going to be using to hold the bumper. As you guys know, I recently got hit by a truck and got my bumper ripped off, so all the clips just went everywhere. So this kind of gives it a little more stability than just using zip ties. Looks a little more professional too, I guess. Nice. Nice and stable. Now I gotta get the brake master cylinder cover right here. I already have the lid, like the centerpiece over there, but I don't have the actual. These were long videos. Crazy. Nice.
got a little life left in them. Yo, that was nice.
What'd you do to her?